I'm Courtney. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're brand new. If you are new, let me know in the comments down below so I can say hello, welcome you to the fam. Make sure to click that subscribe button. I post a ton of slime videos, challenge videos, life hacks, everything in between. I've been posting 4 times a week, so definitely make sure to click it. That way you don't miss whenever I miss a video. And today I am doing another unboxing underrated slime shops. I absolutely love doing these. I love unboxing your guys' slimes and trying out just a bunch of different slime shops. So that's what we're doing today. As always, it is a 100% honest review. If you are interested in sending me slimes for these videos, in particular my underrated slime shop unboxings and also my famous slime shop unboxings, definitely make sure to DM me on my slime Instagram, which I'll link down below for you guys. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. This first slime I have is from Cola Slimes, and unfortunately one of the slimes exploded all over the package. In the future, to probably prevent this, or at least help prevent it a little bit more, I would recommend using like smaller bubble wrap and individually wrapping them. That way they're just a little bit more secure. So I tried to clean up the package as best as possible. There was no way really to salvage the pink slime, unfortunately. There was like none left in the container, so I just tried to clean it off of everything else. That way I could go ahead with the review. So I'm sad I didn't get to try out this slime, but definitely things do happen in the mail, so you just want to make sure you package them like as well as possible. So once I got it all cleaned up, I thought I would show you guys what's in the package. So of course there were some extras. I was able to save these little trolley gummies, which were so good. I loved them, and also 2 other slimes, some extra borax, and there was other candies that I couldn't quite save. This slime also had a crack in the bottom, but luckily none of it leaked out of it and it was still in good shape. So I went ahead and opened it, and I absolutely loved this slime. It was a little bit on the sticky side, so I went ahead and activated it some, but it was beautiful. I loved the color. It had some faux sprinkles in it, and it also had like some foam beads, and also it had like a ice cream charm, which I loved. It was so cute and so clicky and crunchy, and I just really liked this one a lot, and it was also scented as well. This next slime was a 4 ounce, and it did have stickers and labels on it, but it just kind of got like ruined from the leaked slime, so I wasn't able to tell like the exact name of these slimes. But this one was a white and orange cloud slime that smelled like orange sherbet, and it mixed into a beautiful color. It had a really nice drizzle to it. It definitely had more of like a fast drizzle, and I absolutely loved it. It was a great cloud slime. It worked out so nicely, and the texture was so soft. It left no residue. It was just really amazing and fluffy, so I loved this one a lot. This next package is from Blossom Berry Slime, and I was so impressed with this package. Everything was packaged so nice and pretty. It was so professional. It had 2 8-ounce slimes and 1 4 ounce and a ton of extras. I got a starburst, a little donut pen, some squishies, one on a keychain and 1 squishy, and then just even more candy and extras and so many good stuff in here. So she packaged this so nicely. Everything was well packaged, safe, secure, some extra rainbow marshmallow beads. And so this first slime is called Unicorn Cereal. Let me just point out her labels and like heat seals around the slime were on point. They were so professional. It's like I went to the store and bought this. And look how beautiful this color is. It was scented like cereal. I didn't need to be activated at all. It was just the perfect texture. It was super crunchy but still very stretchy without being sticky. And I was just so impressed. All her slimes are absolutely amazing, and like I can't even compare them to famous slime shops. They're right on par with them. They're so amazing. This next slime was also packaged really well, so everything was super secure, and it is called Pineapple Chunks, and it is so chunky. There's some Java chips, there's some foam beads. This was just so thick and pretty, and it was still very stretchy even with all the add-ins, and it smelled just like fresh cut pineapple. It smelled delicious, and again, like, this quality of her slimes are seriously on point. I was so impressed. This is like the quality you would expect from famous slime shops, if not even better than some of the famous slime shops that I've reviewed. This last slime from her is called Sleepy Unicorn, and it's a beautiful fishbowl slime with lots of glitters and charms in it. And the only thing I'll have to say about this slime is, for some reason, it was really hard to get all of it out of this container. It took me actually quite a while to get everything out, and it was a little bit on the sticky side, so I had to go ahead and activate it a little bit. But once it was activated, it was so crunchy and had such an awesome texture. And beyond the texture, like, it's literally just a beautiful slime. I think this one is so pretty, and I love everything that was in it. Last package was from RJ Slime Co, and it came with slimes, of course, and also a ton of extras. She wrote a note with all the slimes, a business card, some borax. I love her business cards, they're so cute, and a ton of some of my favorite candies. I have like gone crazy eating all of this. So this first slime, everything was packaged really well. By the way, I forgot to mention that. Everything was packaged super well, nothing leaked or anything. And this first slime is called Cinderella. It was a little bit sticky, so I had to go ahead and activate it, but it was a marshmallow foam, which I am obsessed with. This is probably like my new favorite type of slime. I love marshmallow foams. They're so crunchy. They're like constantly crunchy and clicky. I just love them. And this one was also scented like candy, so it smelled really good, and I loved this one a lot. It had some glitters in it and a little charm as well. This next slime is called Mickey Mouse, and of course it came with a really cute Mickey Mouse charm, and it is a thick and glossy clay slime, so it's not quite a butter slime. That's what a clay slime is. It has like a little bit less clay, but still like really thick and clicky. This one was great for poking. I did have to activate it just a little bit, but I loved it. It was thick, it was dense, and it was so much fun to play with. And this one was also scented like sugar cookies, and it smelled really nicely. This last slime is a 4-ounce slime called Tinkerbell, and it's this beautiful green color, and it has tons of glitters on top. And this is a cloud slime, and it's scented just like green apple. And this was an awesome cloud slime as well. Cloud slimes could be tricky, and both of them in this video were so nice. So this one had a very nice drizzle to it. It also had kind of a fast drizzle as well. So I really enjoyed this one as well. It was a hit for me. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you missed my past couple videos, all you have to do is click on over to the side of me, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye!